Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments by the way. So let's see what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. You can see our trend is literally on an uptrend move. Market has been giving us a bullish move. Previously, it was ranging within this level here. Markets will come to tap our support, then eventually roll up to tap our resistance, then drop to tap our support. But markets eventually broke out of this resistance level, and we have been having that movement to the upside ever since. So it will look something like this: higher high, higher low here, higher high, which took out this previous high, as you can see. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually give us our higher high. You can see that this higher high has taken out this previous high. So what next we'll be expecting? Of course, we all know in a trending market there must be a pullback, which is an higher low. So our next forecast will be a little bit of a pullback. Once the pullback happens, then go again and take your buy, which will give us the new higher high. So have it in mind that AUD USD is still trending to the upside. We should still expect movement to the upside. But before that, expect the pullback. Do not just jump in. A new higher high have already been made. All you just have to do is be patient, wait for the pullback, then hop in again for the buy. So if you're interested in back-to-back signal which has high probability rates, I'll be putting it in the Patreon channel. It is high probability, by the way. We have high probability win rates, so I'll put it in the Patreon channel if you're interested. All you just have to do is go to the comment section, click on the link to the Patreon and subscribe here.